That one, even I know the lady, she's here in South Africa. I used to, we were praying together. Then that lady, they said she's about to die. So then I said, no, she won't die. Then everyone said, we are going to, sizakuchiya wena wenze whatever ukwenzayo. So usisilwana ubuye eZimbabwe. So basebebize uMalaitsha Maumazi. Those people abathatha ama-border jumpers whatsoever behambe lawo eZimbabwe.
Bekasaphila by then?
Ewephila. So everyone, especially they were given 3 days. Then mina sensithi I'll pray for elimekile. Then uMalaitsha wayesekhona already. Wathi asisi wena ungafuni. Engafusi isloza njani uzamhambisa. Then I said, don't worry. Then it came a voice ukuthi thatha nje amanzi ufake ichukela phakathi wakhulekisa ufike umthele ngayo efesini umthele ngayo esifubeni umchaye ngayo phansi kwenyawo. Vele thatha ichukela namfake umthandazo. Then I went back to her. Ngamchaya efesini, mchaya esiswini, amchaya inyawo. Mase ngihamba uyabamba so umnyango. Usisilwana waqala ukukhwehlela. Yezwa ngishaya ngolunye uvalo olwachayela kude.